So hello guys, a quickly outlook on the Euro USD, and you know I've been waiting for a reversal on this pair for a while. So as you guys can see here, we are bullish on this pair, which is a Euro USD, and because of that, at a particular time, I was telling you guys that I was waiting for price to take out all these lows. All right, so if you go to the daily time frame, it's going to be more obvious. I've done this analysis before. We can see how we're having a series of higher highs and higher lows, and we are expecting price to give us a low right at this time, which is this is the place I was actually expecting the low to actually happen, and we just see that happen within these few days, and that is why I'm back on this pair. So now I'm targeting a new high to be created. All right, so we are looking for price to actually take all the way to this level. All right, so this is my expectation. Now, why am I expecting this to happen? Let me just delete this first. We can see clearly on the daily time frame that we broke structure around this level. All right, we broke structure around this level, which is what I've been expecting. And remember, last week and early this week on our market outlook, I was able to tell you guys that I'm expecting a reversal to happen around this level, because all this low at that time, I told you that price is going to come and use them as liquidity. And not only that, I told you also that when I measure my fib 2 all the way to that high that was first created, which is this level, price has pulled over below 50%, and this is a premium zone for us. Around the 20 something percent is a premium zone. All right, so I'm going to be making video talking about the premium and discounts, and that will be tomorrow. So stay tuned on the channel and make sure you don't miss all this educational content. Now, if you're yet to subscribe, please do follow us. We share an educating forex video here that's going to help you become a better trader. And don't forget to like and recommend our channel. So let's continue. Now, knowing fully well that we broke structure today, all right, what am I expecting? If I scale down to the 4 hours time frame, what am I looking at? All right, we can see this heavy fair value gap here. Although I have not made video talking about fair value gap, I will still do that over the course of time. I'm not so big on all these terms that people use, because I try to want to make sure that I simplify forex trading for traders, not use all these big word fair value gap and liquidity inducement. I think a lot of grammar are surrounding the forex space too much, and it's making it a bit difficult for traders to actually penetrate. I believe forex trading was supposed to be simple, and overuse of language or English or names can confuse a lot of traders at times. So why not let's make it very simple? So that is what I'm actually doing on this platform. So we have this fair value gap, and I strongly believe if I'm going to be taking this trade, I want to see price, all right, sell all the way to 50% of this fair value gap, which is the middle. All right, I'll also show you that. Set to that level, then we can see a change of character within this level, and I can possibly look for a buy to target those highs. Remember, like I told you guys, we are actually going very far on this trade, because this trade is something that is going to be creating a new high, meaning we are going to be taking out this very high that was created to create a new high. Now, I believe throughout the month of this October, we are going to be bullish on this pair, since we've already have a reversal there. All right, so I'm actually going to be looking for the pullback into this box, and when I see that, that is when I'm going to be actually taking my buys from. And as we do it, guys, TP or SL. So stop loss is going to be below this level, and we're going to be doing our normal 1 to 2. Maybe probably on this trade I may even do 1 to 3. I don't know. I may not. So maybe I'll first target 1 to 2, which is this high, and depends on how price get to that level, I may scale. I don't know. So if I should move to the 1 hour time frame, you will see this is kind of going to be obvious for us. Now, GBP, USD, and Euro USD have similar setup. Now, I will show you guys that because they move correlatively. All right. If this one is buying, this one is buying. It's just that one is faster than one, and GBP USD tends to be faster than Euro USD, but they have same movement. All right. So I believe a lot of you guys know why I'm expecting price to come here. If you've been watching my video, you're supposed to know that we have a shift in market structure around this level, and I'll be waiting for that shift patiently. So what I'm actually waiting for now is price coming back to my mark this level. You can see that is the high we have, and I want to see a pullback. All right, this first pullback below the 50% line, which is this line. And once we can go below this line, remember we have a fair value gap here, and I want price to trade into the fair value gap, 50% of it, which is exactly where I'm marking here. So if I see this actually happen, it's going to actually give me that confidence that I know to actually enter this trade. So I'm expecting sort of sell back to this level, change character, and we move. This may happen tomorrow or on Friday. So whenever it happens and I see that, I'll actually be taking this trade. The rule is wait patiently for trade, don't pursue trade. So I'm not going to be pursuing this trade. If the trade actually can, give me a shift of market structure, why not me wait for it to actually come back and give me a possible entry? Because I know the big traders that understood the market are actually going to be doing the same thing, waiting for price to actually come to them. So I will be part of those people that will be waiting for price to come to them. Then I can take my possible entry. Now I wanted to show you guys something on GBP USD, just to show you that both pairs are correlatively. That means they move similarly and they have same. So you can see that I've already marked this here without even analyzing it. That's to tell you that I'll be expecting price to do something like that. Can you guys see? So I was expecting price to break above this high before now, giving us a higher high, which is what has happened already. And the same way I'm expecting price to pull back down after breaking that place, and that is what I'm actually still expecting here. So you guys can see it's obvious here. So if you are going to be trading any of this pair, make sure to trade one at a time. You cannot trade two of them at a time. Select the one that is best for you, all right? Because both of them, like I said, move correlatively. So you don't want to be trading the two pair at the same time. It's not nice, because if you're going to be hitting stop loss, you're going to be hitting the stop loss on both of them at the same time. And if you're going to be hitting TP, that will happen. It's just that one will be faster than one. All right. So it's better you just look for one that is more okay for you and take your trade. All right. So remember, this is not a financial advice. If you're watching us from YouTube, this is just my expectation. And what we are doing here is for educational purposes. All right. So be sure to consult your financial advisor for any financial decision that you want to make when it comes to trading. So guys, I don't know what happened to my network. But I believe we are okay. All right. I'm actually done with the video, so I don't know what is happening to MTN. So guys, I think I'm going to be ending the video. I believe we already have our key levels marked out already. So I'll see you guys in my next video.